Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Tether from Coinbase to Gemini in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's great for holding value without the wild price swings of other cryptos. If you're looking to move your funds for better rates, security, or just diversification, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Gemini. If you don't, head over and create them. It's quick and essential for crypto management. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section. Find your Tether balance. It's usually listed under Stablecoins. Next, click on the Withdraw button next to your Tether. You'll be prompted to select a network. Stick with the most common one like ERC20 for Ethereum-based transfers, as it's widely supported. Now, here's a crucial step. Head over to your Gemini account and go to the Deposit or Wallet section. Copy the Tether deposit address from Gemini. This address is unique, so double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Back on Coinbase, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Tether you want to withdraw, but remember to leave a little buffer for network fees, which can vary. Review everything carefully: amount, address, and network, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for security. After confirmation, the transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on both platforms. Check your Coinbase transaction history and your Gemini wallet for the incoming funds. Pro tip: always use hardware wallets or secure methods for larger amounts to protect against hacks. And there you have it. Your Tether is now safely transferred. This process keeps your crypto journey smooth and efficient. If you run into any issues, Gemini and Coinbase have excellent support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.